Okay, here in Halong Bay, and you can rent these little rowboats, or you can rent the little canoes here, and it's 40 VND per person to rent one.
Yeah, the canoe's over there.
No. Ở đây đi, em đi đi tàu tự làm.
You want to go in the canoes, not those boats that you row around, do you?
Yeah, Mum. Yeah. Yeah, the rowboats are way too slow and way too safe.
Yeah, you want to go in the canoes.
So we stamp our thing, we pay.
6 người ạ.
Well, not for me, Lily.
6 người.
Am I?
Yeah, 6.
6.
I
Okay.
don't think Clarissa's going.
Clarissa, you going in a rowboat? Yeah.
In a canoe?
In a canoe. Yep.
I'm
All
not very
right.
good at it. I may end up in the water, but...
Am I bound you?
40,000.
40,000 per piece, and they go in the canoe. And so and they give you a
Nhưng
life
mà
jacket.
bác chở xe đi đâu không đi.
And I've got my wallet in my pocket and my phone. So no, it's alright. And
Không đi đâu.
gotta watch your step. These people live out here, I think, but you know, it's just a plank slab construction. And you need a life jacket. Life jacket?
Hey, this one.
Yeah, because those ones are drying. And so these are the canoes. So, good sturdy fiberglass canoe, what could go wrong? And then you paddle around, you know, in the caves here. So, and I'll just go up here a little bit and I'll see the cave. Oh yeah, so down in over there's a cave there, right there I mean, and down there a bit further there, you go that way and there's a cave. But apparently somebody died because the roof fell in on somebody recently. Oh yeah, there we go. Put on the life jacket, there we go. Thank you, darling. Em chào anh. Va coin chum. Let's go.
Hey? Am I going to end up in the water?
No. Money back guarantee. If you land in the water, I'll give you 100 VND.
I don't want to.
What if we just...
What if we're not in the water?
Yeah.
Who's going first?
Yep.
I mean,
Okay. Eli and Moses, you go and jump in first. Show the viewers how to do it.
Are they going one per canoe or are they going
No, two, Mum. For you sit. Em ơi, sit. For anh? No, for you. Only for you. Yeah, I know. Anh wet. Okay. All right, boys. Now, if you get blown away by the wind, but you're gonna have to work together.
Khăn đâu ạ?
Ôi trời ơi. Okay.
just stay here.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, this is me hopping in a canoe, and I can't hold the camera at the same time. So here, bro. Alright. Now, just gotta step straight into the middle. Alright, there we go. What's going wrong? Take. Hit it, take. Thanks, bro. Is it still recording? Still on? Alright, there we go. Still on. There's me in the canoe. Alright, go back. Alright, no splashing me. Alright, no tipping canoe over. Alright. Amoy. Okay. Alright, so now we're paddling. Honeymoon. We came here when we proposed, and now we're back again. Yeah, that's right. Honeymoon. with our family. Not very many people go on their honeymoon with their family, but we do. Hey, say hi. Hey, say hi. Okay. So for 40 B&D in Halong Bay, you can paddle around. 40 B&D is about $2.20 or something Australian. Anyway, oh, you're in, Clarissa.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get out.
Hey. Yeah. Okay. Well, be careful. Be careful. All right. I've got you on film. So if you're going to do something really silly right now, is a great time to do it. Right. You know, well, there's no point in doing it after I turn the camera off. Okay, Eli, don't splash. Alright, there you go. Okay, everybody, that's us going for a paddle. Hang paddling, okay. Paddling one-handed paddle.
Oh, the traffic.
Eli and Moses, see the cave to your right? That's where we're going. Right, over there, through that cave. Right. Alright, I gotta put the camera away. I can't paddle and hold a camera. And my co-pilot here can't paddle at all, so anyway. Alright, just a minute. I'll put you down for a second.